Here's a visual peek at the 2013 Citroen C4 Picasso interior, highlighting its spacious, light-filled cabin, dashboard layout, and seating arrangements for extra context. Loft-style ambience and glass everywhere. The cabin is defined by a loft-style interior ambience, thanks to a panoramic windscreen, optional full-length glass roof, and an exceptionally large glazed area, creating a bright, airy atmosphere. Spacious and modular seating. Dimension-wise, the vehicle measures approximately 4.59 meter length, 1.83 meter width, and 1.66 meter height, offering class-leading interior space. Accommodates 3 individual, equally sized second-row seats, all with ISOFIX points and a flat floor to maximize comfort and mobility. A third-row option seats 2 more adults, with footwells for added comfort, and folds into the floor when not in use. The front passenger seat folds flat to allow loading items up to 2.5 meter long, perfect for long gear or DIY loads. Dashboard layout and controls. Citroën eliminated a traditional center console by relocating gearbox controls to steering wheel-mounted paddles and a mode selector, enhancing space and ergonomics. The dashboard features a 7-inch central touchscreen, touchpad, controlling climate, audio, navigation, and more, and in upper trims, a 12-inch panoramic HD display shows driver data and navigation. The dual-screen layout creates a clean, modern interface. Material quality and comfort. The cabin boasts a 2-tone, asymmetric dash design using soft-touch materials and satin chrome or gloss black accents. Higher trim lounge pack upgrades offer massaging seats, a relaxing relax seat with leg rest, and premium leather and cloth options for better neck and seating support. Practical storage and visibility. Storage is smartly distributed with cubbies under seats, beneath the floor, and tray tables on the back of front seats. Thanks to the high-set seats and multi-window design, including triangular A-pillar windows and rear side windows, visibility is outstanding for both driver and passengers. Overall, the 2013 C4 Picasso stands out for its airy, innovative cabin design, spacious modular seating, and cutting-edge interior technology, all wrapped in an elegant and functional layout.